Man, this is a shitty day to do a lot of the wiring and other shit we gotta do, but Phil's supposed to come tomorrow. I'm recording this on a Thursday. Oh, fucking D, there's a cop next to me and he sees me. We're already off to a great start. Let's head over to the unit. All right, we're taking an adventure somewhere in Ed's car.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yes.
Oh, fucking big motherfucker. Cashing the government pennies.
Just recording this for the record. We made pit stop number 5. I got to the unit at 6 o'clock, like 5:45. All right, as an update, it is now 7:31. Time check, 7:59.
Fuck.
Has the little fucktard asked you about your car yet?
Tonight's the night where you can kind of like feel like you're gonna be driving it this weekend. Like, you know what I mean? Right now you're like, it's not fucking. So like after tonight you're gonna be like, I might be fucking rolling around in this bitch this weekend. No, it's not stuck. It's just I'm trying to like, yeah.
Money?
Fuck the fucking stripped ass fucking socket hole. Looks like we're going back out.
15 to 24 millimeters. Like, what's that?
As you can see the difference. The only way this happens is if somebody wails on it with a hammer. So you're looking for the space that it fills coming out of the supercharger to bottom it out. One across from the other.
Dude sold it with all the fucking bolts stripped, missing, and fucking bent shit.
You didn't look at it when you...
We did!
It was running on his car, and he was so horny for the...
OD, bro. Shit was fucking sick.
Yeah.
Zip tie, baby.
Well, that's what we're going for here. I mean, that must have been how he had it, right?
All right, I'm just gonna add another note in here. Thank you for the bolts, Chris, to the heat exchanger.
He's such an ass.
Part number 973. Man put the fucking hoses to the coolant, whatever the fuck. I don't know. Shit on backwards.
I don't know what kind of hoses they gave his ass, but they don't fit.
Didn't give us some
This dude is so
reservoir tank or some brackets or some shit.
It doesn't fit like it did on your car, papito.
Yeah, the hose don't fit. And if I text you, I know you're gonna say just put it on there. So
just pop it in, baby.
we're trying to put it on there.
It'd be nice if we had the little 3-prong bracket.
It is now 11 p.m. I'm gonna fucking put this shit in the video too, dog.
Didn't mention that one.
Y'all gotta see this shit. Hold on, let me make sure the fucking thing is right. So I was asking him where the fuck the surge tank shit is at, because we're missing a surge tank. He said he doesn't have it. He said we're good if we know how to bleed it. And then he sends me a link to an Edelbrock fucking surge tank. Whatever, we're good. I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna click the link. Shit's gonna open, right? Thank you. Out of stock. Delaying shit again.
The following day.
Today is Friday. Supposed to be the day that Phil's tuning my car, but all the shit last night was just a fucking headache. So I had to go buy a bunch of piping, tubing shit, and bolts, and clamps, and connector shit, and more bolts, and some other shit. And we're gonna be taking the brackets off my old oil cooler and trying to fix some shit up so I can at least get a base tune without the surge tank for the coolant on the supercharger. And hopefully I could break it in tonight. I don't know, bro, we'll see. Just talked to Phil. Most likely not gonna get the tune tonight. He's a busy man.
You got the Bluetooth? I'm gonna try to finesse the Bluetooth, make a bracket out of that for this.
First issue of the night.
Fuck.
Hose doesn't fit.
It was what we had in stock. It was worth a try.
Alright.
Be back. I'm always finessing it. What do you think I'm doing right now? I'm turning an oil cooler bracket into a supercharger bracket. Apparently, Whipple and nobody in the planet has brackets.
So I emailed Whipple last night at like midnight or 1 in the morning. And they got back to me this morning. And they told me that apparently they don't make a bracket, nor do they make a reservoir tank. Which I thought was quite odd because it's literally fucking photographed in their directions to install this. But, yeah, so we're making our own shit out of my Bluetooth oil cooler.
So, we don't have a tank. We don't have a surge tank.
At the moment.
At the moment.
It's on the way.
So for now, what we're going to do is run a little extra coolant line. Sometimes on power steering lines, there'll be like S on the frame. There'll be like a little cooler. So that's what we're going to try to do here.
5 hours later.
Ed got everything done up all nice in there. We took the oil cooler fucking mount and he hammered that bitch out, put the fucking pump for the coolant on there. Ran a line up. Fucking right here.
It's not zip tied yet.
Oh, these shit's mad hoopty. Comes back up. It goes along the fin right there. We're about to put a 90 in. Fucking 90-degree in right there, and then it's gonna go back to the supercharger.
It's just a lot cleaner than just fucking. No!
What?
We're one clamp short.
The next day.
I don't know if I'm gonna cut this in, but it is 8:14 on Friday. We're on the way to my car. Phil's supposed to be on the way to my car. Tonight is the night. We're gonna baseline it. Ed and Chicken put the exhaust on today, the drive shaft loop, finished up the rest of the wiring, put the valve actuators on there. Everything should be done. We should be good to go. So I'll see you guys over there. Oh, D.
You know how much of a pain in the fucking cock this is, dude? I gotta fucking finesse this 4-bolt bullshit.
You had the O2 tool today?
Please, what do you think I do? Forget tools? See if we can't crank it over a little and prime it. So when priming a vehicle, this car in particular, but in any car, you either A, unplug all your fuel injectors, or in this case, the fuel injector harness, which is this and this. Each rail has a fuel injector harness, so we unplug that shit. Then you unplug all your coil packs, or some cars have a coil pack harness. You can just unplug it. A lot of diesels have it. You have to prime a diesel system. Some guys will unplug their crank sensor. If you unplug all the coil packs, you don't gotta do that. It would help if the car had power, right?
Oh, dude, it's so weird.
What?
It's just so weird.
Get money, fuck these bitches.
Son of a
man.
bitch!
What?
You don't have enough battery.
What'd you break now?
Somebody put some poopy ass bolt on here.
Somebody. I'm trying to avoid you because
What time is it?
what?
What time is it?
The fuck is trying to zoom into my face.
Things were going a little smooth. You know, slight hiccups, but it is what it is. Battery is refusing to charge, so currently on my way to Walmart to buy another battery. Bro, holy fuck. I don't know when they started making batteries this heavy, but this shit was not like this before, dog. Phil should be on the way. Please be a good night, bro. Please, I'll cry. Told me get a new battery, get a battery, come back, starter doesn't work no more. It was a bad night. It's now 9:30.
So, it doesn't push out the gear on the shaft that'll turn the motor. So when you jump it goes, it fucking fires up, but the gear doesn't come out and engage the flywheel. It's fucks.
So will not turn on under any circumstance
Under
tonight.
any circumstances, you are not firing this car up tonight.
God damn it! Alright, bro. It's a new day. Yesterday was real fucking bad. Let's just hope that somewhere is gonna have a starter for me to buy. O'Reilly's didn't have it. So now we're gonna go try AutoZone. And there's an Advance right across the street from AutoZone, so hopefully one of them have it. And if they don't, I'm gonna be fucking angry. AutoZone didn't have it, so I guess I'm gonna try Advanced. And if Advanced doesn't have it, I'm gonna try Napa. And if Napa doesn't have it, I'm gonna fucking throw up. Oh dear. Advanced didn't fucking have it. Shit didn't even come up in their computer like it existed. So, about to Hail Mary it with Napa. Napa, please, bro. Please. Oh. Well, y'all already know how that shit went. Tried to open the door, shit's locked. All the lights are on in there, but no one's in there. I called them twice, no one answered, so I guess they're closed or some shit on Sundays. There's no fucking hours listed online, so I don't know, bro. I'm gonna go back to O'Reilly's because the guy said he could have it shipped. Maybe there'll be like a store that has it within like an hour drive. I don't know, bro. This is fucked up. Alright, so I'm back home now. Dude, if you want my honest advice, bro, if I could go back in time, you got two routes you could go, bro. If you want to build a car and you want to go fast, A, take it to a shop that does it. Like for Camaros or Chevys, I'd go to RPM, LMR, MMR, or Hennessy or something. Like just somewhere that offers packages so you don't have to deal with the tuning and all the individual parts and the engine headache and everything. Or I would just buy a supercharger and be done with it. Buy a brand new supercharger, not a used one. Because at this point, bro, I've been spending hundreds of dollars a day, every day, for the last like 3 weeks. And I can't do it anymore. I'm just so tired and want to drive my car. And I have to wait again for some shit again. I'm just gonna end the video here. Hopefully I could get the fucking starter sent here. I don't know if they're gonna overnight it, and even if they do, I don't know if Phil's gonna be around tomorrow. Probably not. So, fucked man. Yet again.